So the first I ever heard of Rest and Relax was through Vernon, my partner. He got Rest and Relax to do his house, and when it was completed a couple of years ago, I remember the first time we stepped in, it was like, wow, who did this? And he told me, Rest and Relax. So when it came to my turn, I think there was never any other choice but Rest and Relax. They were the first ones I went to, and we just took the journey all the way. I have a lot of things I love about this house. We bought a slightly larger house because me and my wife, we felt like we needed, more space to roam around, store things. So we knocked down 3 rooms to turn into one giant master bedroom. That has to be one of my favorite parts of the house. This living room that we're sitting in, it's a high ceiling, we've got beautiful textured walls, this amazing sofa, all the colors that come together. I dare say I've got one of the nicest pantry bar areas I've ever seen. Kitchen. The first thing we did was tear down a wall in there so that there's more light coming into the kitchen, blend it into the yard, so that's beautiful. My wife's study room came together so nicely. It looks a little bit different from the rest of the house. It's brighter, it's like a cafe, so it almost feels like stepping into another world. We love that too. The big balcony with our dining area. I just love everything about this house. It's so perfectly done, and again, it was just brilliant work from the folks at Rest and Relax. So I really want to thank Rest and Relax for helping us build our dream home. I mean, it is very telling. Everybody who's come here to visit is like, wow, never seen anything like this before. I think the one thing that really struck us was the design. When we first saw the draft of the drawings, we're like, okay, that's exactly what we want. The design was just so beautiful, we just couldn't wait for it to come to life, and it really did. The lifetime warranty part as well, I think is so important because everything from hinges, the tracks and all that, yeah, over the years they're gonna wear down, but with Rest and Relax lifetime warranty, I mean, 5, 10, 15 years later, I can still call them and come and fix all these things. I mean, that's a long-term peace of mind, which I think a lot of people are looking for but don't get. So that's another thing that Rest and Relax are very famous for. I love the idea that the big boss, Wilson, his name and his phone number is on the website. So anytime you can just call him, he's always there. So I think that's a great piece of transparency as well that Rest and Relax shows. And recently, they've launched the Rest and Relax Super App, where they upload all your renovation information, including your floor plan, your 3D, all the color codes, the paint codes, the cloth color, everything in there. So not only can you go in the app and request for defect rectifications, but many years down the road, even if your ID leaves the firm, you have all the records of everything you used or did for your renovation. So whether or not you're doing repairs or selling the place, that will come in really handy as well. So many reasons I feel that you should also check out Rest and Relax for your reno. Wilson, once again, thank you very much for helping me build my dream house.
Thank you for trusting Rest and Relax.
Of course, peace of mind with Rest and Relax.
Cheers!